Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is a very easy and a very simple recipe, that is vegetable noodles. To make vegetable noodles, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Firstly, I have taken here about 2 tablespoons of oil, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic which I have chopped finely, and about 1/4 inch of ginger which I have chopped finely. It is slightly more than 1/4 inch of ginger. A medium sized carrot which I have sliced it like this into big chunks. Into 12 beans which I have cut it in this shape. You can cut it in any kind of shape, but it should be a little long because we are using it for noodles. 1 big sized capsicum which I have sliced it. 1/4 of a cabbage, that's around 200 grams. So that I have chopped it and chopped it into big slices like this again. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, salt to your taste, half a tablespoon of pepper powder, spring onions, about 1/4 cup of spring onions which I have chopped finely, 150 gram veg noodles. You will get 2 varieties, one is egg and one is veg. I have taken veg noodles. To make our noodles, first thing that we are going to do is boil some water. This is about 1 liter of water. In this water we will add in about 1 tablespoon of salt. Alright, so once your water starts boiling, we'll add in our noodles to this. We'll also add about 1 teaspoon of oil so that the noodles don't get stuck to each other as they are boiling up. Once you add your noodles, after about 2 minutes, just take a fork and then try to just separate these noodles like this. Once they become soft, it's easy to separate them. To separate these noodles so that they cook evenly. It won't take too long to cook your noodles. It might just take somewhere between 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes, give it a check. Able to cut through the noodles very soft, very smoothly. This is cooked. If not, cook it for another minute to 2. So now our noodles are separated. Just let it boil. So now our 3 minutes are done. So we'll just check on our noodles. Just pick one strand and see how well you're able to cut through. It's cutting through very smoothly. Now we'll just turn off our heat. We'll drain the excess water. So we'll just add these noodles and we'll just drain it off. And we'll also run it in between some cold water that it doesn't continue cooking. So now we'll get into the next process, that is cooking our vegetables for our noodles. So to cook our vegetables, what we're going to do is first we're going to heat a pan on high flame. Once it's heated, add in some 2 tablespoons of oil. Once your oil is heated, add in the ginger and garlic. Saute it for about 10 to 20 seconds. After 10 to 20 seconds, add in the beans. Ensure to keep your flame on high all the time, medium high. Saute your beans for about a minute or 2. After a minute, and our carrots. Saute your carrot for about 2 to 3 minutes because it will be a little hard, so it will take a little longer to cook. Giving it to your kids, then ensure all the vegetables are really sauteed very well and it's cooked really well. Once your carrot is sauteed, add in the cabbage. Saute your cabbage for a minute or 2. We'll add in our capsicum. Saute your capsicum again for a minute. I have kept my flame on high throughout while the cooking is on. If you are new to cooking, then keep your flame on medium and ensure that your cabbage turns transparent. Now we'll just add in a little bit of salt to our vegetables. Do not add too much of salt because you're also going to add soya sauce which will have salt content in it. Just add a little. So now our vegetables are cooked really well. Time to add in our soya sauce. After you add your soya sauce, ensure to cook your vegetable mixture till the raw aroma of the soya sauce is gone. That should take somewhere between 30 seconds to a minute. The next thing that we have to do is add our noodles. We'll add our noodles in batches. Now we'll add the rest of the noodles also. After you add your noodles, turn your flame to full low and then mix it. Now we'll add in our pepper. Mix the pepper and all the vegetables and the noodles really well. Now we'll add in our spring onion. Give this one nice mix and then we'll close the lid and we'll turn our flame to medium and let it cook like this for about 2 minutes. Why we have added our spring onions and then we are closing the lid for 2 minutes is because the spring onions will release its water content, and in turn when it's getting cooked, the steam of the spring onions will make your noodles really juicy. Now our 2 minutes are done. We'll just give it one nice mix. Now our noodles is ready. Now we'll turn off our heat and we'll serve it into our serving plates. We'll just garnish it with some spring onions. So there you go, our vegetable noodles are ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell notification that is there right next to the subscription button so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.